One of my favorite things is a perennial, which is a plant that comes back every year, and it's called Mountain Phlox. It's native to the Appalachian Mountains. It forms a bushy, upright clump of fresh green leaves. It's topped in early summer by clusters of really beautiful lilac blue flowers. One of the best phlox selections. I just love it. That's my opinion. It grows 12 inches wide and 12 inches in width, and it's hardy. It's really hardy. Really easy to grow, and it'll be awesome as a cut flower. I just love the Mountain Phlox, and they have these beautiful little lilac daisy look to them. Really pretty as even a cut flower if you want to put it in a vase on your table. And it's hardy. It's from zones 4 to 9. So if you check your zones on Google, you'll see it's very, very hardy. So it's great. It'll come back every year for you. It'll bloom in the summertime when the bees are coming out. The bees love Mountain Phlox. All you need is some nice, well-drained soil and water it well until it's really established, and then away it goes. Mountain Phlox, one of my favorite things. And you have a great day.